Sarah is over there. Things are going from bad to worse at the moment.
Okay guys, so after a really miserable day yesterday of messing about trying to get our heater working that we didn't get working, the sun has come out today, so we're a lot happier and we're heading back up the mountain.
Yeah, we're actually going back to do the same hike pretty much to the Heston Peak. We've done this one, we know it's fairly easy, safe for the dogs, and it's a different time of day as well. Cloud cover's different, the sun's in a different position, so completely different experience. Sarah is over there. Things are going from bad to worse at the moment. Heater breaks, accident with the drone on the last walk up here. And then today we get to the summit, the different walk, getting a beautiful drone shot, flying back over the peak. And then all of a sudden it just spins round and crashes to the ground. And we've just spent the last probably an hour and a half looking for it. Checked the flight records, managed to get the coordinates finally and found it. But it's not going to fly again. The arm's broken off, I think. Well, Sarah will show us in a minute. But hopefully, I mean, last night we got some drone shots yesterday on the hike yesterday and didn't put them onto the laptop stupidly.
Not a chance in salvaging that. The battery flew off. Luckily the SIM card's still inside. The camera's still intact. Not sure if we were recording at the time. I mean, it just literally did a little spinny thing and dropped out of the air. I mean, we've had the drone a while, but I mean, it shouldn't just do that. Surely we should be covered in some respect. But the thing is, we don't have a drone now. Yeah, look at this environment. We've scrambled down from the top.
From up there.
At least we've got it back. We'll probably still keep him. Dizzee can actually have him now.
Yeah, Dizzee will be happy. Diz, look!
Look what's happened,
look.
Diz!
Oh, he's licking it!
He's not, he's trying to bite it still, even though he's dead. So, obviously we're absolutely gutted, but we've had an hour and a half to kind of go, you know, it's not the end of the world, is it? Hopefully we can get some money back and hopefully we can find another drone up here in Norway.
It's just rubbish, so yeah, one thing after another going wrong. Now the drone, we're in Norway, the best place to fly it.
It's cold, our heater goes yesterday. Amazing surrounds with the mountains, you want to get the drone out and take this. This happens to the drone today. Hopefully we can get that heater working, because we ain't going to get this working. So as you can see, this is the path that we had to take. It's not really a very used path, I don't think. You know, the hike is up there, not down here.
Yeah, one might say a little bit dangerous. We lost the path on the way back up, so we've just been scrambling up here. But luckily this spongy grass is quite easy to walk on.
The boys actually manage this terrain much better than we do. I mean, we were a little bit gutted because the plan today was to go to the top of the mountain here. But after the drone crashing from this point here, down that side, and us going down there for probably close to 2 hours looking for it, it's just too much for the dogs to take them any further. Like, they're knackered, they're hot. Unless you want to go on your own.
I'm knackered and I'm hot.
Right here where we are in this whole area, you don't have to go to the peaks. I mean, it's just absolutely spectacular. We can't be too gutted, can we, about the drone, really? I mean, it wasn't us that fell out the sky, was it, or off the mountain? Everyone's safe. We got it. We got the bit of footage.
When we were scrambling down there, yeah, I was just towards the end, just hoping we were all going to get back up safely. Because, well, anyway.
Well, we've been proper miserable since we got back to the van, really. There was a slight high from when we found the drone, even though it was completely, you know, ruined. There was a slight high because we'd spent ages looking for it, but that high soon deflated when we realised that we just don't have a drone anymore, and we're about to go to probably one of the best drone places on the planet.
We've just been looking if we can get another one, and it's just not that easy. There's a couple of stores around here. There's a chance we might upgrade. We have to decide though, because we didn't really budget for this sort of thing, so we probably would regret it
if we don't get another drone.
Yeah.
And we're just kind of like that now, right? No more drone talk. We're just going to carry on, try and forget about it. We're going to try and get the heater working over the next couple of days when we've got a bit of spare time, and we're not going to think about it, and we're going to go in a couple of electrical stores if we can find anywhere and have a look on the way. That's all we can do. We're going to try and get happy again, and now we're punishing ourselves for being miserable by going on a hike. Probably going to kill us because we're knackered from our extended hike drone search from earlier on. So yeah, the good thing is we may have lost the drone today, but we do have a couple of really cool hiking sticks. Look at this one.
Sarah's is better than mine. Sarah's, look at that, it's got a proper handle on it. Someone's taken the time to shave all that off and then
just dumped it.
Mine, bit bendy. I don't know how good it's going to be on a proper mountain, but hiking stick nonetheless.
This one is pure pain. Looks like Segla mountain has beaten us. It's still a really long way up here. It's quite a scramble. I bashed my knee this morning coming out the van, and it's been hurting a little bit today, and we have done about 4 hours of hiking already, and then I've just kind of twisted it a bit funny, but it's all right. Now we could carry on, but
as well, as Sarah said, it is quite a scramble. I don't know if you can tell. I don't think you can tell so much on camera. It's like, I think it's over 45 degrees all the way down. It's a long way up, and enough bad things have happened recently that I don't want to push it.
Yeah, we are kind of wondering whether it's worth carrying on or heading down now, which is a bit kind of there, because you kind of want to get to the top, don't you? You want to get to the peak, but at the same time, like Nick says, enough bad things have happened today, and if our minds are saying,
then the climb down is a lot of stress on your knees.
It is, yeah.
And you know, if you know us, we haven't got the best hiking gear. We haven't got windproof tops. We haven't got, my trainers cost about €20. I think we need to invest or contact some companies and say, can you please provide some decent hiking and safety equipment?
I mean, look at our hiking stick. Nick's already ditched his hiking stick because it was more of a hindrance. I'm like, no, I love my new hiking stick.
I will carry it up the mountain. So yeah, I think we're going to chill out here for a bit and then slide back down.
Really quite cold when you stop to take photos and do a bit of vlogging. So before we head down, we're going to take a little look around this ridge and get some photos so I can get changed quickly. how well it picks up on camera, but the steepness of that Segla, the mountain behind, that we, you know, were going to go all the way to the top of.
But yeah, it's definitely worth coming up because this just all around is just awesome. You don't need to go to the peak.
The views are just incredible.
Phenomenal.
Everywhere you look.
Okay, that's this walk done. Really glad we came up here just to see how crazy that peak is and walk along this ridge. Amazing views all around, but I feel we've done this area now. 2 peaks over there, another 2 walks, but you're kind of looking down onto the same fjords. We did that one over there, but I think we've seen this area onwards to the next one.
What we came up here for. That is absolutely beautiful.
So today is the morning after the crazy horrible day before. Wow, there were some good parts, but didn't go that well. It's a beautiful blue sky day and it's really warm in the sun, but it's crazy. See, it's warm now, it feels like the summer. You step around here and there's a cold wind, and then you're in the shade and it's freezing and it's like winter. So you get all seasons in a simple walk around the van. Where we're parked is a lovely location. We parked here a few days ago. There's a few walks you can do from here. There's quite a few vans here. Most vans we've seen since we've been in Norway, really. It's quite a big car park.
Shortly, we're going to have a go at trying to blast out the diesel heater and try and get it working. Now, if we can't get it working by blasting it out, we're going to take the thing apart and try and de-soot it that way, if we can. Because it has been cold the last couple of nights and not very nice not having our heater working when we need it most. But, you know, it's not a bad location here, so we're pretty happy. So we're feeling good, even though a few things have gone wrong just lately, we are feeling okay.
While I've been editing the latest and greatest vlog, Charlie's been sleeping and Dizzy's been sleeping. Sarah's been doing what she does best, making a mess of the van and just tearing things apart.
Basically, this is our diesel heater.
That was our diesel heater.
Thanks to YouTube, because you know you can do anything on YouTube, including watching great entertaining travel vlogs, but you can also learn how to do things. So I have just taken apart our diesel heater and I am de-sooting. This is mission, we will have heat tonight.
Look at that.
Now, I didn't have a clue how to do this, but if you watch a few YouTube videos, it's actually quite simple to take these things apart. Every part that I've taken out, like the glow plug, everything else looks...
Glow plug?
Glow plug. Glow plug.
Dog.
Everything, as far as I can see, looks totally fine. There doesn't look like there's any issues. Like I said, it's really straightforward. This is the chamber where all the magic happens and the heat gets pumped out of there. Hopefully, let's just hope that this is going to work. Right, so I think that's de-sooted as much as it's going to get for now. But now's the tricky part. Getting all these bits and putting the heater back together.
I think I'll just stick to my pretty editing.
That is the sound of the diesel heater working again. We've got no white smoke, declogged it all, declogged, desooted, took it all apart, has worked. We have our heater again. It's just shutting down now, but it's working. So we are so
back in the game.
Happy.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.